Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not deleting. This common issue can be frustrating, but we'll tackle it step by step. First, a simple yet effective solution is to restart your computer. This often resolves temporary file locks. After restarting, ensure no Roblox-related processes are running in the background. Open your task manager and end any tasks associated with Roblox to free up those files for deletion. This initial check is crucial before moving to more advanced steps. Next, let's try a manual deletion. Navigate to your app data folder by typing %appdata% and %localappdata% into your Windows search bar. Look for and delete any Roblox folders you find there. Sometimes, permission issues prevent deletion. Right-click the Roblox folder, go to Properties, then Security, and ensure your user account has full control. You might also try running the Roblox uninstaller as an administrator, which grants it the necessary privileges to remove all associated files effectively. If manual deletion doesn't work, consider using a reputable third-party uninstaller program. These tools are designed to thoroughly remove all traces of software, including stubborn files and registry entries. Another common culprit is your antivirus software. Temporarily disable it before attempting to delete Roblox files. Antivirus programs can sometimes lock files or prevent their removal, mistaking them for malicious activity. Remember to re-enable your antivirus immediately after you've finished troubleshooting to maintain your system's security. Finally, if all else fails, a clean reinstallation is often the best path forward. After ensuring all previous Roblox files are completely removed using the methods we've discussed, download and install a fresh copy of Roblox. This ensures you have a clean slate. If you're still encountering persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation, helping you get back to playing without further delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.